everyone, and welcome to More to Explore. I'm Miss Natasha, and today we are going to make a beaded thank you card. Okay, what's in your kit is cardstock for your card, beads, glue, a popsicle stick to apply your glue, blue paint, orange paint, yellow paint, green paint, and a paintbrush. What's not in your kit, but what you will still need and what most people have at home are tissues and a cup with water. Okay, so here's a completed thank you card I have with the beads glued down. What we're going to do is we're going to paint from the bottom of the card in the middle, and we're going to create these stalks of plants. And at the very top, they will have different flowers on them. So what I like to do is I like to start with one color, so maybe the blue stalk, and I draw a couple or paint a couple. So that's what I'm going to start with. You can go ahead and start with any color you'd like. Okay, so essentially what you're doing is you're creating that long stalk. Then you're creating the little branches. And then you're creating the leaves. And you'll repeat this process. So eventually it looks like this. So notice how each color is different. So with the blue, I have these round leaves and these soft orange flowers. With the orange stalk, I have these thinner leaves and some yellow petals. And then with the green one, I have really thin leaves. And I have these like blue bonnets. So they're dotted. And then even the yellow stalk is different, and I have these dotted red flowers. So you are welcome to be as creative as you'd like. If you'd like to pause the video on this, you are more than welcome to if you like a specific flower and would like to recreate it. So go ahead and paint. I'm going to go ahead and paint my card and finish it up as well. now that we're done painting our flowers, we're gonna go ahead and paint thank you on the top. So you can write thank you very much, thank you so much, or just thank you. So whatever you'd like on your card, go ahead and paint. Okay, now that we're done with our paint, go ahead and close the container so your paint does not dry out. Alright, next set the paint aside and your water aside. And your paintbrush. Go ahead and grab your glue and your popsicle stick to apply the glue and your beads. So this part's really fun. Your beads will go in the center of your flowers. I'll show you. So this is the completed card. And you're gonna pick which beads you want for the center. So I kind of followed along with the color of the flower. So if the flower was yellow, I picked a gold or a yellow bead. If the flower was blue, I picked a blue bead. If the flower was the orange, I picked either red or pink. Okay, so go ahead, dab your popsicle stick in the glue and then put that in the center of your flower. And place the bead on top of the glue and press it down for 20 seconds. And you're gonna repeat this throughout all of your flowers, or at least the flowers you want a bead in the center of. So go ahead and do that. Thank you everyone for joining me in this More to Explore. And don't forget, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna write inside of your thank you card what you are thankful for. So if someone maybe did something nice for you recently, maybe they gave you a hug, maybe they made you something. So go ahead and thank them for that in here. And you'll say thank you so much for doing whatever it is that they did. And then sign your name. And then you're all done. Did you know gratitude helps people refocus on what they have instead of what they lack? And although it may feel contrived at first, this mental state grows stronger with use and practice. Thank someone today for something nice they've done for you.